Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by charging Deadeye and switching the controls to manual. That setting is the only way to tag precisely. Once your core is full, aim down the sight with your chosen gun. Make sure you're stable on cover if needed because recoil shifts aim. Press the Deadeye button to enter slow time. This begins the manual tagging window. You do this to pause enemy movement and gain time to tag multiple targets accurately. With Deadeye active, move your reticle deliberately over a target and press the fire button to place a manual tag. You hear a distinct click and see the mark. Once tagged, shift smoothly to the next enemy. Prioritize high-value hits like headshot tags for faster takedowns. Make sure to pace your tags. Too fast and you miss, too slow and Deadeye may expire. Practice sweeping left to right or in short arcs to maintain consistent aim under the slow time effect. After tagging, exit Deadeye or release the trigger to fire the marked shots. They hit where you place the tags. If shots don't match tags, confirm your weapon isn't jammed and you have ammo. Deadeye tags rely on the manual setting, so make sure the option is enabled. If tags disappear or won't place, recharge your core, re-enter Deadeye, and slow your sweep. That fixes most issues. One tip: toggle manual Deadeye in settings before a mission to avoid surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.